So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the easiest screenshot animation in Premiere Pro. So let's dive in. This is my background and this is my screenshot. So what you're going to do first is to go to effects, you add drop shadow, you look for drop shadow. So this is your drop shadow here. You drag and drop your drop shadow in your screenshots. Then you come to your opacity, increase it to like 100. Yes, then increase the softness to probably 110 or 100, whichever one. Yup. So you can increase it. Once you're done with the drop shadow, you come here again to this your effect. I'm going to add the basic 3D effect here. You look for basic 3D, drag and drop your basic 3D inside still your screenshot. What we're going to do is to play with this swivel and tilt. Yeah, you click on the keyframes. So after you've clicked on the swivel and the tilt, you can play with them. Let's try and push it like this. Let's come like this first. Yeah, you can play with them. You can just put it like this, then this, you can take it like this. All right, so you said the beginning, then the end, you can return it. So let's take it here. So the swivel, take the swivel. Yeah, this is okay. Then you keyframe the tilt too. So all right, let's see what we've done. Let's play it. Yep, so this is it. It's kind of slow. Let's see if we can play around with it. You can drag this to somewhere here and highlight this one again and duplicate it. You hold Alt, then you drag and you drop it to the end. Yes, so let's make sure that this is somewhere at the middle. That's the plan. Then alright, so let's play it. Yep, this is how to animate it. So let's play it again. Subscribe for more, guys.